Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by Photoshop Elements Custom Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with this simple tutorial. Today's poster wants to know how to make the child's head smaller. So it's not a matter of making his head smaller, it's a matter of distortion. The whole photo is distorted because of the wide angle of the camera. And you see what's happening is the bottom half is okay. It's the top half that's distorted. Everything's bowing out. It's bowing out here, and his head's too large. So all you got to do is really simply is once you have your photo in Elements, choose that photo, go to Image, Transform, and go to Perspective. This will change the perspective that we're looking for. So you can grab the little box in one of the corners and go wider or thinner, and watch what happens. The size of the head has completely changed back to what it's supposed to be. But the picture is a little bit too tall, so we're just going to bring it right around here like this. I'll hit OK. Then we'd want to squeeze the picture down back to a normal size, right around here. And that pretty much fixes the whole problem of the head being too big. Now you're going to lose some of the sides of the pictures. There's nothing you can do about that, but you can recrop it now by taking the cropping tool. Choose the smallest side, not the largest side, because you're going to lose everything else beyond that. Start on the top left, bring it down to the bottom right. Make sure that you don't go beyond this corner here, otherwise you're going to lose it. Bring it down here, and I'll let go of the mouse, hit OK, and there's our new photo with the head smaller without so much distortion. And that's all there is to it. This is Rich calling it quits for this short tutorial, saying over and out.